Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Happy Navratri to all of you. As you know, Navratri celebration is running, Navratri festival is running. That's why I am going to say the topic Navratri festival. This is the festival of worshipping and devotion of people towards the Ma Durga, Ma Bhagwati, or Ma Saraswati, Ma Kali. People worship Ma Durga 9 days and we worship 9 roop of Goddess Durga. That's why it is celebrated all over the India with great enthusiasm. You can find devotion of people towards Ma Durga, Ma Bhagwati. In these days, people worship Goddess Durga in different way. Some people keep fast. Some people left their slippers and shoes. Some people take one-time meal, and some people used to grow jawari, and on 9 days they sink the jawari in the lake, river and water resources. In different places, people install the idol of Goddess Durga. People decorated tent and people decorated the temples. People go to temple both time, morning and evening. They involve in the devotion of Goddess Durga. Goddess Durga they worship with great enthusiasm Ma Bhagwati. Nowadays, people started celebration of Navratri in different way. Nowadays, people also take part in Garba and Dandiya. It is the they are the dancer of Gujarat. But now they are performed all over the India. In even small places also, people involved in Dandiya and Garba, and in big places and big marriage garden and big garden and on the ground, people perform and they involve with great enthusiasm Garba and Dandiya. Even at day and night, people involved, and before Navratri they start practicing, then they perform 2 days, 3 days in the Navratri. Nowadays, Garba and Dandiya has become the most famous celebration during the Navratri. Nowadays, in modern way, people celebrate different types of activities, not only the Garba, and they perform different kinds of dance on different kinds of songs, and they involve in the devotion of Goddess Durga. This is the festival of 9 days. On Dasera, Dasera is a famous festival of Hindus. People involve the Ravan Dahan. So it is said, it is well said, on Dasera, Lord Ram killed the Ravan. So nowadays, people, and it has been running not only for modern day, ancient time, people make the statue of Ravan with papers and unuseful things and whatever, and they use crackers, then they burn the Ravan also. And some small children became Lord Ram. They used the bow and arrow and they killed the Ravan, then they burned the statue of Ravan. This is the Dasera is a festival of victory over the evil. That's why it is celebrated. It is also said that on this day, people left their bad evils and they celebrate this festival. But on Dasera, people install the Goddess idol of Goddess Durga for 9 days. On Dasera, they go for Visarjan, and they go the Visarjan of Goddess Durga. And in our Sagar city, Dasera is very famous festival. Not only the burning the Ravan, Dasera Chal Samaroh is celebrated with great enthusiasm, and different kinds of akhade perform, and people make a queue of Goddess Durga with decoration, different kinds of vehicles, trucks, tractors and whatsoever, and they take Goddess Durga for Visarjan. And on this day, you can find not only the day, in the night time, you can find decoration, and it looks like a day. People involved in it, and they perform different kinds of activities, religious activities, and then take the goddess Durga for Visarjan. And Dasera is celebrated different way. People meet their friends. They said Dasera ki Ram Ram in some places, and they offer beetle to their friends for eating. Even on Dasera, it is also best said that Sida Magpie is very good, and Sida Magpie is auspicious. नीलकंठ को देखना शुभ होता है. Whenever people see magpie bird, they think that they are the auspicious, they are lucky person. That's why they saw that bird. And people go to temple, and Dasera is also biggest festival of Hindus like Diwali. And on Dasera, you can find market is decorated, shops are decorated. People came out from house, and they involved in devotion of goddess Durga. They involved to see the burning statue of Ravan. That's why I gave you this topic. By the topic, you can improve your English, and you can know about Navratri and Dasera. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इसको आप लाइक और शेयर करें. यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.